Alright, hello everybody.
Hello.
This is Will, a friend of mine. He's never flown drones other than like Mavics and
The DRL sim.
the DRL sim. He flew a Tiny Whoop one time and did really well, and he's flown, what, 15 hours on the DRL sim?
Yeah, about 10 to 15.
Yeah, 10 to 15 hours. So the plan is I've taken him deep into the mountains, as you can see, and we're going to throw him into his first FPV flight.
Into the
Like,
deep
yeah, it's straight into the deep end. It's going to be really fun. We're looking for a good spot right now, and I think it's just around this corner here.
Anywhere here is a good spot.
Yeah, anywhere.
But just a bit more risky.
Oh, wow. Hold up.
Dude, let's go over that.
Yeah, wait. Let's just, like, jump out.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa. Look at that. So this is probably a bad idea, but
You gotta stay in front of it.
yeah, but we're like in the forest. This is gonna be Will's first ever time flying FPV.
Damn. Feel the pressure. How far did you actually go?
You'll notice your video starts to go bad, but don't go too far, because the farther you go, the harder it is to find again.
Yeah.
Look at that! You can. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Yeah, man.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
Doing it.
You're doing it. Yeah, just stay high, and you won't hit any trees.
It's scary.
I bet.
There's so many trees around me.
Yes, there are, and you're going a lot faster than you expect, right?
I know.
I could probably lower the camera tilt a bit.
That might be helpful.
Yeah. Dude, you are already like flying in between trees and stuff. What is going on? You're so good. How are you so good? What? Look at this. He's already like, whoa.
I'm trying to land this thing.
Oh, that's fine.
Disarm.
You're fine. Disarm. You're
Disarm?
good. Yep.
Okay.
That's awesome.
I crashed and around.
Yo, high five, man.
Nice.
That was so good.
I want to do that again.
Well, and I mean, I did throw you into like probably the worst place to try flying your first FPV. Yeah, I got it. I'll push ahead. So it's just it's under this tree right here. Wow, it's really wet, man.
Yes. No, it's just been raining or not. So.
Yeah, I guess it has. This will push through here. Walk around. And you're in the tree right there.
Oh, it is.
Here, I'll just-
I feel like I missed the landing by a long shot.
Here, you want to
man, it's
unplug
so
it?
wet.
Pull that
Yeah.
the yellow part. Alright, so that was really fun. But now I want to fly a little bit, and then after that we're gonna try throwing Will into the DJI HD and see how he thinks about that, going from sim to analog to HD in a day. Alright, so I got a little ahead of myself. And I crashed. I hit one of these little bushes going down the road. No, we have to try to find it. I think. Yeah, I think I hit just like one of these little things, right? It's a little further, I think. It's gonna be in, because I crashed pretty fast.
It's like the fruits are the same color as your
Yeah,
as
yeah.
the propellers.
The little berries.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I saw it move. Here, I'll go get it if you want to just. Here, if you hold this, I will. Damn it. That sucks, dude. Alright. I'll be right back.
Really close by.
Yeah, I got it.
You found it?
Yeah. Ah, there you are, buddy. Okay. Okay, let's wipe you off.
Did anything break?
No.
No?
Just a propeller. That's pretty normal.
Yeah.
Alright, now I gotta get out of here.
The joys of
Yeah. Look at
FPV flying.
it's soaked. I'm soaked. Look at my pants. Just from trees. Ugh. Okay, so I got my car back, and now I'm gonna give Will a taste of the DJI.
Yeah, just the back right here.
Oh, that's fine. That won't do anything.
That won't do anything,
No.
alright.
So DJI
Ready to go?
quad. Yeah,
Yeah?
go for
Army.
it.
Is it on?
Yeah, same one. There you go. I'm still like blown away at how well you're flying. Like, it's crazy. He literally, this is his first time flying FPV.
Oh, I did a roll.
Other than what, a tiny whoop one time at my house?
Where I crashed into my friends.
Yeah, where you crashed into
Hair.
into hair. But like, from sim, the diving trees and doing flips and stuff. Like, what in the world? Whoa! Risky. Alright, so it's been a while since I've flown the Super G Plus. It's also running the new Hero 9. So yeah, it's got 5K 30 Hypersmooth is on because it's kind of windy. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Peace.